Folks, today I want to talk about the benefits of having a balcony and how you can also make your balcony a livable, beautiful space. So this one goes to both developers of apartments and also prospective tenants. Hii ni yenu nyinyi wawili. All right, without further ado, let's go. So thanks to my good neighbor here who has given me this space to use it as a sample of what I'm about to present to you guys. Okay, so I'll just take a seat on that lazy inflatable chair as we engage, si ndio? Right, so ndo hivyo sasa nimekuja nimetulia hapo na tuko kwa balcony. All right, so first things first. How do you find the balcony of this tenant hapa? You know, just from the way they have decorated it, the details here, the aquariums there, some games on the table here. Like, how do you rank this balcony from 1 to 10 in terms of how it has been decorated? It is wonderful indeed. So now into the benefits. Number one, benefits of having a balcony, just this outdoor space. Okay, just the outdoor space. You see, unaweza kumekaa pale nyumba, umeweza kumekaa kule ndani ya nyumba, and then maybe you're feeling to go outside. Having a balcony allows you to go outside without traveling. Like, aujaenda mbali, umetoka tu nje na ukiweza kuona the environment kule huku kwote, you know. So this is a space you can come and soak up the sun, get fresh air, unwind. Hata kama una vitu kama hizi, kuja tu na kiti yako. Hata kama ni bench, it is such a space ambayo unaweza kaa tu pale and you unwind. Apart from that, pia unaweza kaa tu hapa nje usome kitabu. For those who have children, babies, you know, mnaambiango balcony, peleka mtoto aote jua. Sasa ukikaa kwa nyumba ambao umejifungia ndani hakuna jua, so unaona hapo mtoto hata utajua. Exactly. So having a space like this, it comes with so many benefits, and I highly encourage property developers, tafadhali ambia pale architect anaweka balcony, na kama architect ameweka balcony, wacha kutoa hiyo balcony, si ndio? Chamaji tulia hapo kidogo. All right, so now number 2, a balcony gives you better views. Okay, so this could be city skyline views. Imagine uko place kama, okay, uko kwetu Nakuru, bado around the city there are not as many apartments, you know, that give you those city skylines, and that is something that I've been encouraging people to do. Kindly, hapa Lando jameni, jenga hizi apartments zijae hapa London, jenga pale section 58, you know, jenga na hapo White House, jenga pale freehold bana, kumelala tu hivyo, there is nothing, you know. So those areas, ukiwa tu pale maybe 6th floor, 5th floor, especially these higher floors, they give you those city skyline views, you know, they give you views of, you know, nature, the environment, like where this apartment is. On the other side kule, it is the Menengai forest. So typically ukisoma tu hapa, unaona kule miti kule, you see the greenery. On this side, you see all the way across to Lake Nakuru. It is beautiful, you know. So such things, hata zinafanya mtu anafanya nini? Ana improve, you know, mood yake, si ndio? Exactly, that's benefit number 2. Now, and even as well, you know, catching sunsets and sunrises on the balconies. Those are the things ambazo, even when you see those apartments ambazo huwa they market them as for sale. In Nairobi, for example, Kilimani, Lavington, wapi, they always mention sunrise, sunsets. Kwa nini? Owing to those balconies ambazo wameweka pale. So balconies are just, they're a bonus addition in your mjengo. Actually, they're essential. So never avoid having those. Okay, hiyo ni ya wajenzi. All right, so number 3, a balcony gives you as a tenant an opportunity to do, you know, some gardening. So there's another balcony in the same apartment here, which they have done those potted plants on their balconies. Hapo zimepangwa hivyo. So you can have those decorative plants, you know, the artificial plants zimekaa pale, just to improve the aesthetics of the place, and like having the space iko tu hivyo tu vile mjenzi alijenga, and like having it hivyo, wewe unakuja pale una improve na some, you know, some plants, decorative features kama hizi hapa. At least now the balcony inakaa wow, hata watu wanaona inakuwa na hiyo wow factor. Okay, so that gardening opportunity pale. I've even seen some folks doing these zinaitwa nini, hizi Is it hanging gardens? Unapanda mtu hata amepanda tusukuma pale kwa balconies. Yeah, I've seen those ones as well. All right. Now, when it comes to those decorative plants hapa Nakuru, allow me to present this shop ambayo inaziuza so that at least you know where to buy them. Hi. Right, number 4, improved ventilation and light. Now, imagine those balconies that have sliding windows. Oh, there is actually one that almost came out like that. Kule Pipeline. There's an apartment I presented known as Buffalo View Apartments in Pipeline. Well, although they don't have the sliding windows, but they have those massive balcony windows, you know, coming from top to bottom. So, and you can just open them, you know, zote hivo kabisa, and imagine they just allow in more fresh air into the interior space. Apart from fresh air, also more light in the room. So having those balconies, again, they just help in better air quality in your home, you know? Right. So number 5, you have extra living space. Now, let's come back to our balcony here, okay, for that extra living space. So you see this balcony, corner these inflatable lazy chairs, 2 of them, and then they have this table here where they play their games. You know, they have a chessboard here. Okay, there's a chessboard here. Actually, over the weekends, I usually find them hapa nje wanacheza games. Hata mimi nishaicheza na wao actually, so washani invite tukakaa hapa tukacheza chess. Apart from that chess, you have this ladders game hapa, and then you have the Monopoly here. You know, you have Monopoly hapa, you see? Exactly. So, and then they even have music. Look at this. These are speakers. So ndo hii hapa speaker, an entertainment system. So wakiwa hapa nje wakisikiza tukicheza games hapa, the music is on. The aquarium on that side is lively, you know, just improving things hapa nje. Look at that. Alafu again, I was on this table hapa. I'm telling you, it is an extra livable space. Okay? Because on the inside, sometimes you can stay on the inside. Yes, watch TV, umefanya nini, it's getting hot, you know, or maybe it's getting cold. So you feel, you know, let me just, can I go outside? A balcony is an extension of your livable space pale ndani. So wajenzi, balcony, very, very important. Na kwa wale ambao mnaenda kuishi, well, si lazima ufike hii level, but if you can, well and good, why not? This is the essence of having them, balconies. All right, so now that takes me to number 6. A balcony is also can also function as a utility area. Utility inamaanisha mona balconies zingine ambazo people hang their clothes pale nje, people keep their bicycles pale, you know, people even do washing from the balcony pale. I saw another tenant wakioshare their carpet on the balcony space. Okay, these balconies are huge, okay? So if you even have a carpet, unaleta tu hapa nje, unaosha, iko na drainage mahali pale, maji itenda tu huko. So it is also a utility area. Sindio? Umeelewa pale. Kwa pale kwa kuhang nguo, well, space kama hii bana, imagine tena ungekuwa umehang nguo hapa. Ai, si itachoma. So luckily for this apartment, they have the hanging areas on the rooftop, which is, you know, beautiful. All right, so last but not least, you know, the balcony now, given all those other things ambazo nimesema, there is a sense of improved mental health and you know, and well-being, okay? So ukiwa hapa nje, umekuja umeona views pale, umekuja umetulia hapa, ume-unwind, umecheza games, you have soaked up the sun or even fresh air. So generally, you know, ukirudi hata ndani ya nyumba unapata your mood is different, you know, your mood, kama ulikuwa na stress pale zimeenda chini, mood yako yani sasa una feel uko best. Sasa imagine tena ukiwa hapa watch to these fish in the aquarium pale. But then, do you know, they also say having an aquarium who it is stress relieving, you know, ukikaa tu hivi uone tu hizo samaki vile zinaenda pale, because now they, you know, they keep you busy watching them until you are lost from, you know, from any stress that you have in your mind. Okay, hizo zote zinapotea. Unaona? So there are so many other benefits, you know, that we can go on and on about balconies, but apart from the 7 that I've said, what other benefits do you know of having a balcony? Okay, hizo 7 ndo nilianalyze nikasema ni present, but which other ones do you know? Let us know in the comments as well, ili tuweze kufanya nini? Tuendelee kuelimishana, tuendelee kufunzana. Kwa hivyo wajenzi, look at this beautiful space. Okay, developers, angalia bana, look at this. You know, so if the balcony was not there, then this would not have been possible. Sindio? But now that it is there, so we have this beautiful space that we have enjoyed to stay at today. So hata nyinyi wajenzi, tafadhali balcony. Nisikuja kwa apartment yako tena uniambia ati sasa hatukuweka balcony. Unachoma, unaharibu. Aya, for tenants, well, you can always, you know, improve or you can always make your balcony more livable, you know, unlike ikue tu, yani kiko tu, unaona, but hata kikiwa tu, it is better than not being there, sindio? So mpaka hapo, see you in the next one. Name is EZRA ONDARA. Oh, I'm forgetting my water kule juu. Yeah. I'm forgetting my water huku juu. Yeah, asanteni sana.